Welcome to the HONOR X5c channel. Today I'll show you how to close tabs on the HONOR X5c Plus. So first open Google Chrome, and here at the top you can see how many tabs are open. You can close them here, or if you have too many tabs open and you need to purge them all, simply press the three little dots and click on Delete Browsing Data. Click on More Options and deselect everything and select just tabs. Press Delete Data. Just like that, you have no more tabs open. As you can see here, it says 1. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the HONOR X5c channel for videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.